This is my handmade wooden board. My home garden punk. Look beautiful. Earlier, I made it that board and I thought of making another board, and this is what I made today. You know, I'm a lover of birds, and I don't shoot bird in my compound, and I don't allow anyone to come and shoot birds. They make beautiful sound. There is also one small bird playing. I like the sound of birds. It's like music for me. I used to think the birds in my compound singing praises to God. Every time they make it sound. Even today, you must be hearing some sound of birds. See there, just nearby me, one small bird is playing, searching for something to eat. That is why I made it wooden board.